Hey, it's Steve Jaffe. Pay attention in this short video. You're going to learn how to become a top producer in any direct sales company, any network marketing company, using the internet without recruiting friends and family, without prospecting strangers, without doing meetings. Same formula that I used to go from ground zero to become a top producer in 2 programs, create a 6-figure income, hit $30,000 months. I'm going to start the training in just a moment. At any point, click the link below this video, enter your email address, get my 10-day attraction marketing video bootcamp. 1 video per day over the next 10 days, how to generate leads online, how to recruit reps online, how to build a very successful business. Right on that page after you enter your email address, be sure to download the Attraction Marketing Formula ebook. This is the guide in much more detail than I can get to in a video, how I went from ground zero to hit $30,000 months. The author, Fernie Ceballos, MIT graduate, 8-figure income earner, marketing genius. This guide is incredibly valuable. Get this guide. Let's start the training. Step 1, build a list. And by list, I mean build a list of leads. Generate leads. You will run out of friends and family to talk to you about your opportunity. You must generate leads. Leads that you generate will convert into sales much more effectively than leads that you buy. There's an expression among leaders in the industry, the money's in the list. Your list is an asset. When you switch companies, you can't take your downline with you. That's forbidden by the company. But when you've got your own list of leads, you can market your next opportunity to your list. That is how downlines get built very, very quickly in this industry. Step 2, warm your list. Warm your list. People only buy from those they feel like they know, like, and trust. You must establish trust in advance of asking for the sale. You cannot simply generate leads and then immediately pitch them your opportunity or pitch them your products. You must cultivate trust first. The way to do this, send short business tips out to your audience on a regular basis. These are just a little snippet of what you have learned elsewhere. You don't need to originate this content. Just be the messenger. Just summarize a little bit from what you've learned from a course or a video you've seen or something you heard at an event or something you learned on a conference call. Keep it simple. Be the messenger. Think of any teacher you've had. They did not write the textbook. All they do is summarize. That's all you do. Just keep it simple. In whatever format is the right fit for you, you can send out these tips in email or Facebook Lives or videos. Keep it very, very simple. But what will happen is your audience will see you as a trusted advisor. You'll build a very warm audience. At that point, you move to step 3, sell to your list. Recruit them into your opportunity. Recruit people into your opportunity. Sell them your products. Recruiting and selling happens very naturally with this process. This is the process that I used to personally recruit 237 people into one opportunity. I've got a whole lot more training for you. Click the link below this video, enter your email address. Get my 10-day Attraction Marketing Formula video bootcamp, 1 video per day over the next 10 days, how to generate leads online, how to recruit reps online, how to build a very successful business. Right on that page, as I mentioned, be sure to download the Attraction Marketing Formula ebook. Much more thorough than I could put into any video. This is hands down the best training guide in the industry, how to build a very, very successful business. This is the guide that I followed to go from ground zero to hit $30,000 months. The author, Fernie Ceballos, 8-figure income earner, marketing genius, as I mentioned. Get this guide. It is incredibly valuable. Click the link, enter your email address, get trained.